review this product, that is Mivi Roam 2 Bluetooth speaker. So recently Mivi has launched this second variant of its Roam series speaker. So basically this is how the packaging comes. So viewers, over here it has been mentioned as super solid base with powerful drivers, premium build with metallic grille, paired 2 Roam speakers for double sound, portable and easy to carry, water and dust proof, 24 hours play time at mid volume, and trust me guys, I have tried this and this is real. 2000 mAh large battery, proudly made in India. Right now the R&D and the manufacturing is done locally in India. So guys, right now we will be opening the box. So inside the box you will find one small beautiful maybe booklet kind of a packaging, and I guess inside that is going to be a manual. And behind the packaging you find a small seal. You just need to open that. First read the user manual details, but if you are interested you can read this afterwards, and I will explain in this video what are its functions, so no need to read this for now. So here there is a welcome note. So this is a warranty note. This is a Mivi speaker, as you can see. This is a Mivi speaker, and here there are 4 buttons, and this is a premium build speaker, 5-watt speaker guys, and here there is a Mivi branding. Right now if you further open the box, you find here an auxiliary cable. This is a micro USB charging cable. Otherwise you can just plug it to your normal phone adapter and you can just charge the speaker. So guys, this is a Mivi speaker itself, and really it has a metallic grille as mentioned. Can you hear the sound? Let us talk about the design and the build quality of the speaker. So at the front side of the product they have provided aluminium grills, which gives a premium look to this product, and it also gives it a confidence of its durability. So now at the left side of the product they have provided aux input and micro USB-B for charging, and also that is a mic so that you can use Google Assistant and you can use it for call purpose. So let me just open the flap for you all. So after opening the flap we can see an aux input and micro USB for charging as mentioned. So at the right side of the product they have provided a tie rope so that you can just carry or you can just hang the speaker anywhere and just play songs. So behind the speaker they have used hard plastic that also feels very premium, and also they have given their own branding over there, which also looks nice. So guys, at the top view of the speaker they have provided 4 buttons, that is on and off button, play and pause, minus and plus button. Later in this video I'm going to explain what are the functions. And below the speaker they have provided 4 rubber feet which gives a very good grip to the product, but at the same time I just want to tell you one thing. Okay, first let me just show you the grip. How much ever I push, it's not pushing that easily. The grip is fine, but if you just give a small kick to the speaker like this, just one small push, it falls, but it's fine. So viewers, let us test the sound quality of the speaker. Before testing the sound quality of the speaker, let me just show you how to pair the speaker. So at the top of the speaker they have provided 4 buttons. So the first button is used for power on and off. The second button is used for pause and play. The third and fourth button is used for either for changing the tracks or for increasing and decreasing the volume. So to power on the speaker you need to give a long press of 2 seconds.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
So right now it is in a Bluetooth mode.
Paired.
Let us discuss the pros and cons of this Roam 2 speaker. So what are the pros? The first point what I want to say is this can run for 24 hours claimed by company, and I've played the speaker continuously for 24 hours and it didn't give any kind of problems such as distortions or any kind of noise. It didn't started producing. It was all fine and it was still giving a good clarity of sound. That is what I like. The second point which I want to talk about is the build quality of this product. It looks very premium. For the price range what I've got, it looks premium. This is how the product looks and it feels very premium. That metallic finish at the front, that hard plastic at the back, and the rubbery closure. So talking about the cons of this product, I only found one con, and that is I just slightly found the buttons to be little tight, but that is fine. I totally understand because this product is waterproof, so for that reason they had to seal it very nicely. So that's the reason they have used a very hard rubber material over here. So we have to add a good amount of pressure to switch on and off the speaker. So viewers, I just found this speaker worth for its price because of its build quality and for the sound quality. I found the speaker worth for the price. During a sale, this speaker was available for 999 rupees. In case if you want to purchase a speaker, the link is in my description. So viewers, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please do hit the like button. Even consider subscribing to my channel.
So guys, thank you for watching my video and bye.